Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's too dark in here. I'll just do it without the video in. CHFJPY, very interesting right now. This is the weekly chart. Um, Also, you guys are seeing past trades that are in red, showing that I haven't had a whole ton of luck with this pair, but it's all good. I feel like we're at a good level, right on top of a 50. Um, Kind of sandwiched in between the 200 as well on the weekly, on the daily, kind of same situation. We're just sitting at a pretty important level, somewhere where we can go higher. We can kind of bounce down still. It's still a possibility depending on how this bar um, ends up. 4 hour chart kind of stuffed down from the 50. Um, Touched on that and rejected it. And now we're kind of coming to the bottom of the zone. Let's see what happens. And on the 1 hour, we look like we have been trying to turn the corner for a little while here. We actually did. So obviously, there's a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, and now it's a higher low, depending on if we go high from here. I'm just want to look for an opportunity to maybe ride a wave higher, CHFJPY. I know I don't take a whole ton of trades CHFJPY, but I do want to, and I have been focusing on, looking for holes in my trading game during the quarantine, and a lot more back testing to come, a lot more results to come, a lot more videos. But yeah, CHFJPY is interesting because it is definitely at a pivotal point, in my opinion, and it's coming off of the back of a really big move. We've got some small candles, which I like a lot, signifying an opportunity to get in while the candles are small in anticipation for a big move. So I think there might be a move coming. I'm thinking it's going to be bullish, but I'm also not opposed to it. I don't care, actually. I'm not to say it's opposed. It's just that I want to make sure that I'm not clouded by some kind of expectation of what I think has to happen. Instead, I'm just looking at the charts, and this chart says we can maybe go higher. We can reject this 50 EMA. We can reject these the level that we've already gotten past, but we didn't quite, uh, you know, move down from just yet. So I'm thinking we might bounce higher from here, and then on the daily, it's kind of interesting because we might have made a move down and then kind of chilled and we're retracing. But how many charts do you see just go like that, channel like that, hardcore? We might be channeling here. I don't know yet. This is the one that's the trickiest for me, the daily chart. The 1 hour chart kind of looks like they want to move around the corner and go higher. And that's kind of just um, uh, accounting for this small move. So these 3 bars is all that is. Um, but I'm really just trying to trade this small movement higher. I'm not looking for like a monster move. It's just not set up that way for me because it's kind of ugly. There's an opportunity for like a pivot or a pyramid reversal type of strategy here where we go higher and then we drop lower. But then it got like hella messy right here. So I'm going to do something different. Trade a strategy I'm not used to, but it's also a short-term strategy, and it's a one-trade strategy. I'm not looking for a combination of trades, but I am going to look forward to kind of go higher here. Anyways, that's what I got, and yeah, CHFJPY. It's pretty interesting. I don't want to put the cart before the horse. I don't want to get in early. I don't want to take advantage of a big move. None of that. I just want to get in and ride the wave. For an easy trade. I want an easy trade, not necessarily a highly profitable one. I hope that makes sense. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Peace.